So when patients are missing all of their teeth, or if they're losing the rest of their teeth, there are basically 3 levels that we can offer to patients to get new teeth. The first level is a traditional denture. The benefit of a traditional denture is that you'll get the cosmetic appearance of your teeth back. The downside is that the function of a denture is usually not the best. Dental implants, which are the next step up, allow us to improve your function. So when it comes to using dental implants, there are 2 approaches that we can use there. The most basic approach to using dental implants is called a locator overdenture. Essentially, this is still a denture, but it snaps in. And so the implants go in, they can be done in the upper jaw or the lower jaw, or both. And then a denture is made, which is still removable by the patient, but it snaps in and out. This means no need for glue to hold it in. This means when you eat, when you laugh, when you're with your friends and family, that the function is there and you don't have to worry about the denture coming out. Now the next step up from that are permanent teeth on implants. This is like a bridge on implants. And so when we remove all of the teeth and we place implants and we do a bridge on implants, there are a lot of really great benefits to that treatment. The first benefit is that we can typically place the bridge the same day we remove the teeth. So for our patients, this means that they can come in, have the surgery, have the teeth removed and the implants placed, and have a temporary bridge attached to the implants that very same day. So they come in with teeth and they leave with new and better teeth. Patients get their lives back. They can be around their families, they can be around their coworkers, they can be around their friends, they can smile without hesitation, they can eat the foods that they like, they can be in the photograph right in the front and have the confidence to be themselves.